Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing $100 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $100 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. SEGEEFX, welcome no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, SEGEEFX. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $100. SEGEEFX no deposit bonus campaign of $100 USD offers live financial trading without any funding. The bonus applies to new applicants register with the company for the first time. Enter your trades with a $100 free bonus to trade live trading instruments. Forex no deposit bonus $100 USD. Register an account. Verify the personal details. Get a $100 USD bonus. Cash out. Bonus. No. Profits. Yes. Only profits can be withdrawn as below. Trade 1 standard lot. SEGEEFX no deposit bonus, terms 2024. General terms and conditions apply. The promotion can be changed at any time without previous notice. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks.